is Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to talk to you guys about the North Wood Cookstove. Today we are going to do our first burn in our North Wood Cookstove. So as always, the first burn in your new wood stove or wood cookstove, you always do want to start with the smaller fire and then slowly increase the amount of wood after a few hours. So this allows you to break your stove in gently. I also want to talk to you about baking in the stove. So I'm pretty excited to bake in this, but I do want to point out that all new stoves do have, paint and various different finishes that are going to burn off. So it's really, really, really important that you don't bake in your stove immediately. Like, you would not want to start this fire and then go ahead and put a cake in there. You will have burn off, and again, those toxins will go into your food. So burn the stove for a good day. Make sure you burn it really, really hot before you start to bake in it. So I'm going to keep you guys updated as I do some baking and some cooking on the stove. I'm going to bring you up a little bit closer, show you how I start the fire in the stove, and how easy it is to burn this North Wood Cookstove.